Tomorrow marks 1 year since Indiana saw its first COVID-19 case, and the governor declared a public emergency.
1 year. Wow.
It kind of flew, but then it also crawled.
Yeah, time was weird this past year. Now, since then, though, we've lost thousands of lives and so much has changed. CBS 4's Eric Pointer is live from our newsroom right now showing us the impact of this last year. Good morning, Eric.
Good morning to you. So this past year has really taken a toll on many people's lives. I spoke to some Hoosiers who say the pandemic has changed their lives drastically. So let's take a look at the timeline. It started when a Marion County man was diagnosed with the first case. He went to Community North Hospital and was released into self-isolation. That same day, the governor also declared a public health emergency for Indiana. The first death was announced on March 16th as a Marion County resident who was over the age of 60 with underlying conditions. But it was later discovered that five people died from COVID before that. The first recorded deaths were 2 people on March 10th. Now, that same day that the governor announced the original death on the 16th, he also announced that bars, nightclubs, and restaurants were going to close for indoor dining. And you remember, the governor later issued a mask mandate for the state on July 27th. And shortly after I got here, the vaccines came out. So on December 14th, Indiana gave its first COVID vaccine to 6 healthcare workers in Fort Wayne. And I remember around that time, everyone kept saying that they thought that the vaccines were the light at the end of the tunnel. Now, these events have caused so many lives to change. Family members have had to miss their loved ones' funerals. Couples have had to cancel or push back their weddings. Now, I spoke to a wedding photographer, Doss Miller, who says that he's seen it firsthand, but he feels like it was the right decision for those couples to make.
Especially with all the uncertainty, like no one really knew, what to do to prevent the spread. And I think if more people made more solid, concrete decisions about what to do and what not to do earlier, maybe we wouldn't still be in the situation we're in.
So right now, we are seeing hospitalizations decline, and currently more than 1 million people have been given their first dose of the vaccine, and more than 600,000 have been fully vaccinated. And so, with the Big Ten championship coming up, something that I didn't include in the timeline was that the championship was canceled on March 12th of last year.
And Eric, correct me if I'm wrong, if I remember correctly, it came after they had already played the first round. They had fans there, and so it was kind of sudden, right?
It was, yes.
Yeah.
It was pretty sudden. They did it after the first round was played, and again, like, so many different things happened, and it all happened pretty quickly when everything first got started in the newsroom. Oh.
Well, I was going to say, I think it's pretty eye-opening too. March 11th, and I don't know if you mentioned this, but it was the first day that they said we're in a pandemic, and I think that's what really opened people's eyes, right?
Yes, that's right. That's when the WHO declared a global pandemic. We had already seen, we were in a public health crisis, and the United States was in a crisis, but the 11th was the first day that it was a global pandemic, and it was announced to be on a global scale. So definitely pretty big there.